The most valuable thing in the world is time. We must invest it in right things to make our life meaningful. Time saving gives us compounding effect of happiness. Time saving for family, time saving to reach at work, time saving to travel for the enjoyment, time saving for self-improvement, time saving to live your life. Welcome to Anshul Casa, a place which defines the time saving with perfect location in the heart of Wakad, Pune. More than just beautiful 2 and 3 BHK homes, Anshul Casa is designed with one precious commodity in mind: your time. Where we spend our maximum time of life. Daily commute for essential amenities, prestigious schools, state-of-the-art hospitals, workplace, malls. Anshul Casa is the solution to save your time for your perfect work-life balance. Anshul Casa's prime location puts everything you need right at your doorstep. From grabbing groceries to enjoying a family dinner out, from quick access to daily necessities, we are not just offering a home, we are offering you the gift of time, potentially saving you up to 50% of your daily travel. Everyone struggles to buy a home that fulfill your definitions of contentment. Anshul provides you time-saving opportunity to experience the serenity of your home. Anshul Casa 2 and 3 BHK apartments are designed with unique butterfly layouts, crafted for modern living. Unique design maximizes space and natural light, creating a comfortable and efficient environment for your daily life with time saving.
So hi, I'm Supriya Patwardhan, and I'm here to represent 4 Dimension Architects, who are the chief architects for Anshul Casa Phase 1 and Phase 2. Anshul Casa has been a project with us for quite some time now. Wakad at that time was a very upcoming suburb, and it is high in demand right now with its good connectivity. So of course he wanted something that was never done before. Kind of people he wanted to cater to was mainly young, newly married people to senior citizens. So Casa basically offers everything to every age group. Since Casa 1 was completed a couple of years ago, Casa 2 basically has the advantage of a ready clubhouse, which is run of the art, completely complete with a gym, with games, with modern amenities, with yoga rooms, steam rooms, and of course a complete vehicular free play zone area for the kids over here. Casa 2 also has the advantage of having its own separate amenities on the top terrace, right from these huge windows to the butterfly pattern of the apartments to a massive lobby in front of all the apartments. There are apartments ranging from smaller 2 BHKs, regular 2 BHKs, and of course now Casa is also offering a 3 BHK. All various segments have now been catered to. When you look at the elevation of Casa, the Spanish feel that we were trying to imbibe right at the beginning of the project has been inculcated in the colors. The colors are subtle. It's a completely green zone and a very sustainable scheme that Mr. Deepak Jagtap had envisaged, and I'm glad that at 4 Dimension Architects we've been able to do justice to the project.
With the serenity of your home, invest your time for peace of mind. Anshul Casa offers ready and rooftop amenities for workout, relaxation, or quality time with family. Everything you need is right here. You can spend your time to connect with the community and well-being. A temple provides a space for reflection and positive energy, while the thoughtfully designed common areas encourage interaction and connection with your neighbors, creating a supportive and time-efficient social environment. Experience the convenience of our location, the efficiency of our design, and the joy of time-saving living. Anshul Casa. Choose time-saving homes.